Hey guys, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250 and F-350 single rear wheel trucks. We put a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it with some dual steering stabilizers, some 20x12 Ultra wheels in a gloss black with a machine face finish, and some 37-1350 R20 Toyo open country mud terrain tires. Now this 6-inch lift kit, we don't have very many tips for you because they are 2 solid axles, so it's pretty simple. But the first tip is your pitman arm. Make sure that you have a good high quality pitman arm puller, because even if it's a new truck, it's gonna give you issues. And if you're doing this on like a 2011 truck and it's got a little bit of rust, it will be a pain in the butt. So make sure you have a good pitman arm puller with some like PB blaster, because you will need it. Besides that, the front's real simple. It's just some springs and a new shocks and some couple of drop brackets. Also, when you connect your track bar, rather than trying to push and maneuver the axle, just have somebody hop in the truck and turn the steering wheel, and that will actually shift the body to where it needs to be to hook up the track bar to the relocation bracket. On the rear, you have to take off the top part of your leaf pack. So make sure you have some C-clamps to keep your leaf pack together so that you can change the mounting bracket from a over the leaf to under the leaf U-bolt. Besides that, it's relatively simple. They clear 37s like a champ. 20x12s, not a problem at all. You also get new brake lines on the front, so that helps with the 6-inch lift. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, some running boards, fender flares, anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I want to buy this truck. I don't want to go buy a truck, bring it to you, get it lifted. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and you can look through all of the vehicles that we have built for dealers that are currently for sale and hopefully pick out the perfect truck. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and have a great day.